Presten oído y no extravíen siquiera una migaja de todo aquesto que este humilde siervo les viene a pregonar. Por gracia que es de Nuestra Señora Doña Jimena y nuestro Señor Ludovico, hanse de celebrar para disfrute y solar de vuestras mercedes los festejos que prontamente les habré de relatar. Siendo en primer lugar las y los rapaces que son justa preocupación de maese John e maese Joaquín, aquestos quienes deleitaren a vuestras mercedes con sus acompasadas danzas, fruto de tamaño esfuerzo e no menores sudores.
Rainbow colors entwined in fairy tales on the rainbow. Sing a song that lands from far away. Other times and another place. Wind can carry us all the way from here, joined in her embrace. The leaves turn to red, the nights are getting colder, seasons will change, the clock ticks on. Leaves fill the trees as the days are getting warmer, days turn to years, the clock ticks on. Cloak and dagger, no fear of freedom. Hearts beating another time. Ever changing, the clock ticks on. If only in your mind. The wind has died and the chimes are still again. The trees stand tall as the color make a change. Then the mirror, the maiden stares at me as the secret fades. Leaves turn to red, the nights are getting colder, seasons will change, the clock ticks on. Leaves fill the trees as the days are getting warmer, days turn to years, the clock ticks on. The clock ticks on to the future. It's in the past, my heart will stay.